At the LAPD's West Valley Police Station, a homeless transient was arrested, brought to the station, and according to 2 watch commanders, 3 police officers now have MRSA. That's a type of staph infection that is highly contagious and at times very difficult to treat.
Question, can you say yes or no? Is it MRSA that the officers have, the 3?
The information I have, I cannot at this point. I can say that we are concerned that these 3 individuals had a skin outbreak that we've gotten immediate medical attention on.
But in this letter sent by the Los Angeles Police Protective League, the union that represents the rank and file, Chief Moore is told that the officers do have MRSA and something needs to be done about it quickly.
Some people are saying shingles, some people are saying MRSA, some people are saying staph infection, but right now the department is releasing the name MRSA.
Steve Gordon of the Protective League confirms that it was a homeless transient that came into contact at the station, and he was blunt when asked about the problems officers face with the homeless.
Our officers are being put in very hazardous conditions with the addiction to drugs, the homeless encampments, the feces, the needles, everything throughout these encampments. There's only one thing that these cameras can't catch, and that is the smell and the vile conditions in which some of these addicted people live in.
You wouldn't be able to say that it came from one person or another. It's everywhere around us.
So don't blame the homeless here.
No.
Dr. Brad Spellberg, Chief Medical Officer, County USC.
Is this an alarming situation?
No. MRSA has been in communities for 20 years. It's affected and infected hundreds of thousands of people across the last 20 years just in the United States.
The West Valley Station is now being thoroughly cleaned. The way one officer told me, it's being decontaminated.
This has been a challenge for us to ensure that our people exercise good protective personal hygiene.
At least test everything, the computers, the bathrooms, the floors. We want it all tested, and then we want some kind of literature handed out to our officers so they know how to better protect themselves.
All of those recommendations spelled out in the letter from the union to the chief, all those recommendations that the doctor suggested. As for the officers who have been infected, we are told that they are recovering at home and should make a full recovery.